Hi, welcome to the tutorial for exercise 1.3 part 1. So let's click on the exercise and see what it's about. The title is Elements, Compounds, and Mixtures, so it looks like that's what we're trying to distinguish, and it says select the best answer based on the drawing. So let's try one out and kind of see what it is that we're trying to do. It looks like we're given a drawing of a bunch of atoms organized in a particular way. And what are we trying to distinguish? Here's the drop-down menu that we're trying to use to come up with the answer. Is this an element and a solid? Is it an element and a liquid, etc.? So how are we supposed to do that? Well, first of all, notice that the only kind of sphere that we have, this black sphere, it's the only thing represented, and everything has the same, it's all the black spheres, nothing else. So we know from that that there's only one kind of atom involved. Each of these spheres represents an atom. And presumably, since it's black, the convention might be that that's a carbon atom. The next thing we want to do, so we know it's an element, so it's either element, solid, liquid, or gas. The question is, how can we tell from the drawing if it is a solid, a liquid, or a gas? Well, that depends on how orderly the arrangement is of the atoms. If it's orderly, then we are going to say it's a solid. The other two, the liquid and the gas, are disorderly, and they differ by being, in the liquid case, pretty close together, and in the gas phase pretty far apart. So in this case, it was clearly element, that is a solid, and we'll check if that's right, and we say, great, that's it. Good, let's try the next one, see how that goes. In this case, we notice that we have a black sphere in the middle, and then these kind of white spheres on the outside. So we know it's not an element. The only question that we have to deal with is is this a compound or is it a mixture? Well, we can tell that each of the clusters, that is this presumably a carbon with these 4 hydrogens, is the same. Each of these look the same. A black sphere in the middle with 4 white spheres. Yeah, they're rotated in space differently. So this looks like a compound because it always has the same uniform composition. 1 black sphere for four white ones. The question now is it a orderly arrangement of this compound? That is the compound a solid, liquid, or a gas? Well, they're pretty far apart, so it's a little tough to tell here, liquid or gas. I'm going to go with gas and see if that's right. Oops, we ran out of time on this one. Presumably that would be correct. So that's how you do these. I think you should be able to manage them pretty well on your own. Go through the same logic. If there's only one kind of atom, it's an element, and then look for an orderly arrangement for solids. The liquids will be disorderly but pretty close together, and the gas kind of further apart. All right, that's all there is to that one. I think hopefully you can manage that by yourself. Good luck, and we'll have a look in class if we're doing this right together. Okay, good.